In this quick video, I'll show you how to open a Buick Regal key fob to replace the internal battery at home. You might have a device that looks similar to this, but with a fourth button, a red panic button right there. As long as it has the same basic design, don't worry. We have the same device, just different versions. And I promise if you follow along with me, we will get a new battery in your device in no time. You won't need anything fancy to get this done, just one of these CR2032 batteries. You can get these online, and I will leave a link down in the description so you can pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And the only other thing that you will need is something like a coin or a flathead screwdriver just to open this thing up. I'm going to be using a coin, so let me show you how. Down on the bottom here, right where this key ring attaches, along the seam in the plastic, there's a little slot, big indentation there actually, and you can use something like a coin, just insert it in there, and just twist gently until you hear a crack and you see that the device is starting to open up, and then just go ahead and pull it apart with your fingers, and now we have access to the battery. So I'm just going to try to pull this out with my finger here. If you can get under it with your fingernail, you can just pull it right out. If you're having trouble with that like I am, you can just get a flathead screwdriver or maybe a pen or pencil, anything to just get under the battery. Having some issues here, but yeah, there we go. Once you get under it, it doesn't take much pressure. The battery will just kind of pop out for you, and then you can dispose of your old battery, take a new CR2032 battery, and make sure you're putting the positive side, this side right here, make sure you're putting that face down. So the plus sign and that text should be facing down. Now we can just squeeze together two halves of the device, and we are done. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And always remember, if you need help with another one of your devices, you can always come back to this YouTube channel. We've got video tutorials for pretty much most of the devices for most of the makes and models out there, and you can also get all of that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.